Hi folks, welcome to Santana Law Perspective. I didn't plan on getting requests this soon, but I'm thrilled to be able to field the first question slash scenario, which happens to be from my good friend Valerie, who wants to know how someone would present themselves in court during a court appearance. I'm going to break this up into three parts so that I don't unnecessarily inhibit someone who may not be particularly interested in any one part. How a person acts, from lawyers to non-lawyers to spectators to anyone else, is regulated by what's called court decorum. That's Decorum. It's a fancy word that means not much more than manners and house rules while in court. First, courts want people to come to court fully dressed. That means no shorts, no tank tops. That's for the beach, not for the woman or the man in black. No muscle shirts for the guys, and no low-cut tops or skirts for the lovely ladies. Or anything else that leaves nothing to the imagination. We don't need the judges, lawyers, juries, parties, or witnesses being unnecessarily distracted while they're trying to do their thing. Okay? They also call it a lack of respect for the court, for those who may be interested. I know it goes without saying for you or I, but some people get nervous and want to be comfortable in court, and I get it. But the truth is that the only ones that are halfway comfortable in court are the people getting paid to be there. Aside from that, I don't think anybody not getting paid for it really want to be in court, including me. Now, a word about wearing sleepwear in court. You want to wear PJs when you're trying to get a ticket paid? More power to you. Just remember, it's not Walmart, and it may make the difference between paying only a $100 fine or a higher $300 fine. Judges, as a rule, don't discount your fines for amusing them. Actually, it may have rather the opposite effect. Anyway, enough about appearance and dress. Now, what do we say in court, or how do we respond to questions in order not to seem clueless to the judge? Well, there's no simple answer to that. But when testifying or explaining in any type of case, you have to understand that if a person in court doesn't have a law license, the judge already assumes they're clueless, at least about all things legal. But the court still expects people to answer or testify truthfully, be relevant, stay on point with short, non-wordy answers or explanations. If one is not a lawyer, the only thing a judge expects from a plaintiff or defendant is to be courteous and the other things that I previously mentioned, not make the judge impatient if he or she has been having a particularly trying day. Oh, one thing I do recommend is go in with notes to remind you of what you want to say, or even take notes while in the courtroom. Lawyers do it, and it's a good practice to organize your thoughts or your presentation to the court. There are more little tips and strategies for, say, child cases and traffic court, so those will be two separate segments. Thanks for watching, and until next time.